What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we got Gear 5 Bonney. That was cool. Those two episodes were so well animated. So let's draw this. I'm on a landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. The One Piece toy animation pulling it out of the bag for these two episodes was really good. They like hold their budgets till something big happens. It's worth it. It's worth the wait. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil. Use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Complicated one, right? So we're going to do the pose when she appears first with the fist in the air. So let's start with the eyebrows, I think. Yeah, because we got those spiraling cloud-like eyebrows. Little curve and then a tick like that. And curve it around the end. And they're kind of, what would you say? They're kind of thick, right? So it's like a little spiral and then like a tube going that way. And same on the other side pretty much. Curving up and then back down. Like so. And then her eyes. So her eyes are kind of like underneath the eyebrow a little bit. So you get like a little spike coming down there. And then it kind of like curves around underneath, touches the eyebrow and spikes down there. And then it's kind of dark. It's a heavier eye line than Luffy's because she has large eyelashes sticking out. And there's a bit of an eyelid line just there. The bottom eyelid line then curves around just here. And then we get some of these spiky eyelashes just coming out that way. Big circles for irises. Dark. And then pupil, more or less in the middle, it's kind of like here. And then we got her nose just like curving that way. Kind of the tip of it just bumps down there. So our other eye, similar, just, it might be a bit lower down than this side, but we'll do this here. Curve it around. Might see a bit more of her eyelashes on this side. And then just make it a bit heavier, touching the eyebrow a bit. Spiking at the ends. And then we'll add some eyelashes. And then the bottom eyelid line. Just there. And some eyelashes come off that. There's another little eyelid line up here. Big eye again, big circle. And then her pupil. Like that. So big mouth, which is common in One Piece. So you just do like a curved line coming across. Looks like her mouth is closed, but if we just open it up, making a capital D shape. D. Monkey D. Luffy. So just coming around like so. And then we have a teeth line just at the top. And then her tongue. And her tongue makes the bottom teeth line as well. It's like a double So this is like her white teeth. And then to finish it off, you just do the back teeth just there. And then we give her red lips. So it's done with red. You don't like, it's not done with black line, but we gotta use the black line because we're drawing. So that's like colored red. And then her bottom, like so. And then she has a piercing like on her face. I bet you that hurt, getting that. So it comes around like so. And then, so we can't see, so that cloud comes over her arm. So you can't see her ear really. You might see a bit of her sideburn, just like above. Not much though. So I'll tell you, we draw her face shape. So it's like a U, like a letter U sort of shape, or a wine glass. So it just comes down around, real round sort of face. Goes down and around up the other side. And then we can see it like a bit of her ear here, but the hair comes over. So say if I went just a little hairline and then her ear just there. And then we have some like more hair, sort of round little sort of hair spikes and stuff just coming around the forehead. You might get her sideburn kind of here, but it's barely sort of visible. You might get a bit of ear. Okay. So we'll just finish off her hair, maybe to the top of the picture. So we get like, do like a little spike here. It's kind of not visible in the show, so we got to kind of make this up a bit. But it's kind of like Luffy's hair, but not exactly like Luffy's hair. So we'll go and we'll do like a little spiral every now and then. So their hair is kind of like clouds, and her hair is like longer than Luffy's. And we'll keep going until we hit like her fist, sort of, which is there somewhere. And then we just got like some more hairlines just here with some spirals inside. There's like a big fist here. Yep. Fist comes up here, but we got the body coming down there and another arm. So let's say she's got these straps that come across her chest, right? So say like one here and the other one here. And this is like a double line. So we go again. This will just place things for us on her shoulders and stuff. It's kind of bumpy on the top, and then it goes back down. And then this comes around here. They're like belts or straps or something. Right, so you just do some fabric lines on these. So then her chest curves around underneath. So bumping up in the middle, down, back this way. And our armpit there. So we can see the middle of her t-shirt curving down here. This has some fabric lines, and then her chest and collarbones. There, and her neck that way. So her side body then just comes down, bumps down this way, right? And she's got like belts and t-shirts and things. So say like, this is the base of her t-shirt, and this belt sort of keeps going down and then around here. And another belt goes in. She's got the purple thing that Luffy has as well. So like the sort of the tied ribbon thing that flows off this way. We can't. There's all clouds here, but if I was her armpit, it would probably go like this way a little bit. That thing that comes across her arm is there, so I'll just stop it like that maybe. So this sort of bumpy ribbon, it's like a belt, but comes across here. And then flows off the purple fabric. So she's one knee coming forward, so we get like her hip coming out this way, and the front of her thigh just there. And then she has some shorts that just comes along the top. And then like a long boot, right? So the top of it is like bumpy, frilly, kind of like this. Kind of reminds me of, you know, like if you draw a cartoon ghost, right? It's like the bottom of the ghost body. Or like Pac-Man, you know, ghosts in Pac-Man? If you put eyes there. Kind of reminds me of that. She's 2 feet on this side, but just the other side of her shorts and leg that we can see. Just here, we got like some folds and stuff on it. Everything gets real small when it goes away because she's like lunging forward. So the fist will be the biggest thing and the boots will be the smallest thing because of the perspective. And then we get another curvy, frilly line there. And then like the boots. So the boots have like a flower-like frill on the top of them as well. So it's just this bump. And this is her ankle, that's her ankle, right? So then just a shoe comes out from here. Okay. Okay, so I guess we gotta deal with like the big sort of arm. So she's got that cloud, that sort of, you know, when they're in gear 5 and they have this thing that comes around their arm. It's kind of like this cloudy sort of, it's part of their power. So this like goes up just like around the arm basically. There's one over here as well, and it kind of just disappears behind her arm then, so it goes that way, I think. So then we gotta finish like, so like her shoulder goes there, and then we should see some of her ear, like here somewhere, like a little bit. So she's got like a big rubber arm. No anatomy, it's just like a curved line. And then kind of sew her shoulder, yeah, this would be like here. This just goes, and then there's like a big fist. So we get the bottom of your hand is this double bump. It's like a W sort of shape, like this. palm of your hand. And then we get a big thumb, right? It's kind of like a square sort of shape, or like a long rectangle. We can have bumps on it because of knuckles. And then her thumb, just there. And then the fist. So you get like, say like each of these would be a finger. Right? And then this one. Then you have knuckles coming along the top. They keep things very simple in one piece. They just do just coming over the top, kind of like that. Do them pointier maybe. So just a real square sort of knuckle sort of thing. That one should be bigger. Okay. And then the other arm. Right now, before I do that, sorry, I'll just close off some of this stuff in here. Like more of her hair. Do, do, do. And all right, so the other arm. So we get like some more of this cloud, just like going around her head here. It meets up back there somewhere. Okay, kind of just spirals off that way. And then her other arm comes down here. And again, very sort of rubbery, cartoon-like hand. Not sort of that realistic. Very simply drawn anatomy in one piece. So her thumb just comes around here. Here, a thumbnail. And again, just like the knuckles at the back, kind of similar. Up, down, back to the back of the hand. And then some fingers along the bottom. Right, so just like that. And they don't put too much detail in it, so it just looks like a club. So it makes it easier for us to draw anyway. That's it, I think. Bonney Gear 5. I thought it was cool. I enjoyed it. Great animation sequence. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.